How to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Look at the plus sign at the bottom. Tap on it. It's how you start making a new post. Now, pick a photo or video from your phone. Something cool or funny, whatever you like. Tap on Next. Tap on Next again. Next, add some words if you want. Like captions or hashtags. Spice it up. Double check your post. Make sure it looks perfect. No typos or weird stuff. When you're ready, tap share to send it out into the world. Alright, now that your post is up, go back to your profile. Find the post you just shared. Tap those 3 little dots in the corner of your post. They're your ticket to editing. Choose Edit from the menu that pops up. On the left side, tap where it says Tag People. Now, tap on the photo or video where you want to add your friend. Start typing their Instagram username in the search bar. When you see their name, tap on it to tag them. Hit the check icon to finish up. Voila, your friend is now tagged in your post, even though you've already shared it. And there you have it. Adding a collaborator to your Instagram post after posting is as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.